After plenty of hype and social media chatter, the bell has finally been rung on this championship match.
The time for talk is over. These superstars are ready to settle this and determine who gets to hold the title. She's staying elusive. Finds the advantage after a string of counters. Ooh, what a punch. That's how you stop your opponent. Oh, she hit the corner hard. Tiger feint kick, too.
Getting back into the ring. She returns the favor there.
Roundhouse kick on the mark.
Oh my God, fails to connect on the springboard. Insult to injury. Super kick.
There's more. Corkscrew splash. But champions need to finish the job. Kick connects. And there's more. Cork Spanish fly. Agility like that, easier said than done, gentlemen. Oh!
Here's the pin, title on the line. The champion with his shoulder up before two.
I can't believe the ref didn't get two here.
Counter, and now there's an opening.
Quick exchange, reversing the reversal. And both athletes showing that they...
Super kick.
There's more. Corkscrew splash. Now that is why they're the champ.
Super kick.
There's more. And the champ retains.
Here is your winner, and still gold wrestling champion, the Superstar.
Wrestle perhaps the perfect match. Never any doubt in this win.
That's why they call it light work, Cole. Barely even broke a sweat.
Dance, fucker, dance. You never had a chance, and no